Hey guys! So today, nakikita nyo naman sa title kung ano gagawin ko. I'm going to be unboxing my new Airpods. And this is my third pair. So, una, nasira. Pangalawa, nawala yung isang pares. At ito na yung pangatlo. Sana mag-stay na to. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, please do me a huge favor. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the thumbs up button if you guys wanted to do more unboxing with me. I don't know if I made sense, but let's get on. So, binili ko to nung last Tuesday. Na-unbox ko na, pero binalik ko lang sa kahon para lang sa video na to. Believe me, I tried filming this kahapon. Hindi umubra. Okay, so hindi nag-work yung plano kong mag-film kahapon kasi sobrang ingay niya talaga, I swear. Alam mo yung palakas yung boses mo, tapos palakas din yung iyak niya. Ganun. Insert clip here. So, we're gonna unbox. Oh my God! Diba? Okay, so ayun, binili ko nga, kung sakit. So ayun, binili ko nga siya last Tuesday. It's June 4. June 4 ba? Tuesday? June 4 daw. Kasama ko si Tonet and si Winson. They are my friends and special mention to them kasi sinamahan nila ako. Binili ko ito sa may Lucky Chinatown Mall, sa may Beyond the Box doon. Meron din kasi sa Robinsons na Beyond the Box, pero sabi ni Tonet, wala daw Airpods doon. So, doon ka na lang kami pumunta. Nabili ko to sa Beyond the Box, 9,400 something. I don't know, I'll just put the price in here. So, this is the Airpods 2, but this one doesn't have the wireless charging. Kasi, aanhin ko yung wireless charging. Wala naman akong wireless charging dock. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Kumalam eh. So, let's open it. Oh, God. Let's pretend na kunyari masa-surprise lang ako. Kahit nabuksan ko na talaga siya. First of all, ang makikita nyo is ang mga papeles ng Apple. Wala mong say-say ito. Manual lang ito eh. Gagawin mo dyan. Let's go for this. So, nag-effort din akong ibalik yung plastic. Diba? Tanggalin natin. Kahit natanggal ko na to ilang araw nang nakararaan. So, I have here my iPhone. Let's pair it. Actually, na-pair ko na siya. I'm just going to show it to you guys. Lumabas ba? Ayan. Hindi kita. Automatic na magne-name yung AirPods mo. It says Seth's AirPods, which is my AirPods. So, the left and right AirPods has 100% charge and 75% yung charging case. So, ito, nung binili ko, may charge na rin talaga yung case niya and yung AirPods. So, a little comparison. I have here my AirPods 1 na wala. And this is the AirPods 2. Anong diferensya? Ayan. So, nandun pa rin naman yung writings. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Underneath the box is we have the lightning cable. Dalawa kasi yung lightning cable ko, so dito ko nilagay yung isa. And yung receipt, and then the warranty. Niregister ko na rin siya sa Apple. So that is it for this video, guys. I just unboxed this lang talaga in front of the camera, just to show it to you guys. I'm not bragging, I'm just sharing to you guys what I got and what I got for myself. This is actually a gift for myself for my graduation this coming June 18. So I guess I'm going to end this video right here. And I will see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned kasi sobrang daming videos na i-upload ko this coming month. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Sending you guys a blizzard of kisses and always remember that you are the most amazing snowflakes ever. Bye guys! And by the way, shout out pala dun kay ate yung staff sa Beyond the Box kasi sobrang bait nila. Okay, thank you. If you guys are watching, thank you so much po for very accommodating. Kung yun na nga yung word. Ayan. Hindi ko natanong yung name nila. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video.